guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I have an unboxing from the Daily Goodie Box. This website, you can just sign up and fill out a profile, and if you're selected, you do get a box of free goodies. All that they ask is that you review the samples on their website. You can also follow them on social media to win boxes as well. So I will put all that information below. And first up, we have some Artisan Organics, different spreads. And I think one of them actually was punctured, and I'm glad they put it in this bag because it's a little oily. But we have a raw walnut butter, cashews, we have hemp and Brazil nut butter blend, a hazelnut cacao spread, I bet that one's really good, and then a cashew cacao spread. Also have Tranquini, I think is maybe how it's pronounced. Zero sugar sparkling hibiscus. Little energy drink, pretty cool. Has green tea, chamomile, lemon balm. I love the beverages, trying new ones, so that's awesome. We also have doctor formulated heart health. This is a liquid dietary supplement, COQ10. Next up, we have Rescue Butter by Dr. Botanicals. This is a lemon superfood all-in-one rescue butter. I bet that smells really good. I'm hoping it smells like super lemony. I really like citrus scents. Let's take a whiff. Doesn't smell super lemony, but it's nice. I have really dry hands, so that's going to be wonderful for that. Then we have a couple snacks here. We have a Hungry Buddah Keto bar. Keto Done Clean. This is lemon blueberry. I bet that one's good. And then a chocolate chip one. Cool. Then we have Daily Crunch Coffee Soaked Sprouted Almonds. Just nuts and coffee. Salt-free and oil-free. I've never heard of that, but that's gluten-free, keto, paleo, vegan. Cool. Pretty unique. Then we have a stress relief aromatherapy little roller. I love these two. Ylang ylang and geranium. 100% pure essential oil roll-on. Applied to pulse points on wrist, neck, or temples. Definitely be using that. Then we have leave-in conditioner for all hair types. And this one mentions aromatherapy as well. Let's see if it says on here, if I can. Looks like rosemary, ylang ylang, different little fragrances in there. That's awesome. And at the bottom, they always put more information about the products and sometimes coupon codes. So here we have a 20% off for the roll-on. They have all sorts of other products. Then they have the lemon rescue butter. More products from them. And then the Beauty Without Cruelty. That's the leave-in conditioner, but it looks like they also have hairspray, spray gels, facial cleansers. They have all sorts of stuff. And makeup. Very cool. So if you guys would like to try to win a box, like I said, you can follow them on social media. I have that below. And then I also have the link to sign up and fill out a profile. Thanks so much for watching. Bye, guys.